Hey everyone, Zabe here. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these highly realistic viral AI security cam videos, like the baby and pet night vision clips that are currently getting tens of millions of views on social media. We're going to create these from scratch using ChatGPT and OmniFlash. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to need my master prompt. Don't worry, I've left a link for it right down in the description. Open it up, copy the entire master prompt, and paste it directly into ChatGPT. Once you hit send, the prompt is designed to automatically generate 5 unique video concepts for you to choose from. Take a look at the 5 options and pick the one you like best. I'm going to choose option number 2. Just type 2 and hit enter. ChatGPT will then write out a highly detailed, perfect prompt for that specific scenario. Now, you'll notice it gave us a 15-second prompt, but for this video, we want a 10-second version. So just type, "I need 10-second video prompt," and send it. ChatGPT will quickly condense it down for us. Go ahead and copy that new 10-second prompt. Next, head over to Google Flow. Make sure you are on the Video tab. Change the aspect ratio to 9:16 for that perfect vertical format. Set the duration to 10 seconds. Make sure you've selected the OmniFlash model at 1x speed, and then simply paste the prompt we copied from ChatGPT into the box. Hit Generate. Now OmniFlash is working its magic to generate our video. We'll just wait a few moments for it to finish rendering. And there we have it. Look at this amazing result. The movement is incredibly smooth, and that night vision effect looks totally realistic. Once you have this set up, you can just keep asking ChatGPT for more prompts and generate an endless supply of these videos. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, please hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, and share the video with your friends. Remember, the master prompt link is in the description below. See you in the next one.